The 2013 Hyundai Sonata Limited. Powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 35 miles per gallon. This Hyundai features air conditioning, power door locks, and heated power mirrors. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include satellite radio, Bluetooth wireless, and HD radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.